Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful brand new 2021 Sailfish 272 center console. So made a couple of changes for 2021. First thing I'll point out is they do have a dive/tuna door. So whether you're wanting to hang out with a family, you can have the kids jumping off the boat. There is a ladder to get back in as well with a nice grab handle that I'll show you on the inside. As well as they made some changes to the console that I'll point out as well. This boat, obviously again a beautiful boat, does have the black rails, just kind of makes it stand out a little bit more. Goes real well with the black Mercury 200s that we have it equipped with. Walking around the back here again, does have the twin Mercury 200s, makes maneuverability very easy. You can operate those throttles separately and really control the vessel easily around the dock. So heading up onto the boat, there is another swim ladder right here that they do cover, so no trip hazards or anything like that. And then you do have the door right here. So if you do have kids or dogs that you bring on the boat, you can kind of close that and keep them in the boat. First thing I'll point out as we enter here, look how high the sides are. I'm 6'2". This is halfway up my thigh. So one thing I look at, I have two little kids. I love the safety feature of the Sailfish because you're nice and deep in the boat. I don't have to worry about any of them going overboard or anything like that. And then as I'm fishing as well, I can lean on this and I don't have that feeling of, my low center of gravity that I'm going to go overboard myself. So as you come onto the boat here, some of the things again that they've changed, you do have this nice fold out seat here in the back. Very sturdy hardware. Gets that backrest that pops up. Nice and comfortable. Again, Sailfish really goes for that fishing/family aspect. So a lot of seating, very comfortable, able to have some guests and some friends on board. You do also have a fold-out seat here on the side. Again, very sturdy hardware. So you can have, if you're entertaining or if you're fishing that day on your way out, you got plenty of seating for people to enjoy themselves. And then it just simply folds away. Do have fish boxes in the floor. And again, over on this side, we'll point out this dive door. So you can see the grab handle there, and then it's got the hooks for the ladder to go down. Again, so if you're enjoying time with family, the kids can be enjoying themselves while you're hanging out as well. Right here on the back of the helm seats, we've got some storage. We also have a freshwater sink. Great fishing setup. You got some spaces for some knives, some cup holders there, rod holders all across the back. Storage here for fishing gear or whatever you're going to be using the boat for. Nice big storage area down there. As we work our way up to the helm, again, I said that they kind of redesigned this. So you got a really good setup here. Very easy for the captain. This one happens to have twin Garmin's with the Mercury vessel view in the middle. So it gives you all your engine data, your RPM, speed, everything like that, your fuel. Digital throttles, real easy in and out of gear. Fusion stereo. And then you also have the steering assist here, which makes steering the boat at low or at high speeds very easy. Nice new seating that they did, again with the upholstery, just really well laid out, nice stitching, very comfortable, flip up bolster, so however you want to be running the boat, whether your co-captain wants to be sitting and you can be standing, very versatile, very easy to use. As we swing around this side here, we're going to open up underneath. We do have the covers down there. You also get a freshwater sink. The table is down there for the front of the boat up in the bow, and then you also have your marine head. Heading up to the bow of the boat, again, we get a little bit deeper up here. I talk about that safety for the kids as well as that comfort if you are fishing. Just nice and easy to be on the boat. You do have backrests that you can go up and down with. You have storage under all the seats, and then you have your windlass up off the front. So that again is a quick walkthrough of this brand new 2021 Sailfish 272 center console. If you have any questions or you'd like a private walkthrough or showing, you can give us a call at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.